I didn't put that there.
How is it flowing? Mom, Dad, where are you?
What? Jack, it's early.
Come, you have to see.
Where? What?
Look, the tree.
What? Where? What is it? Oh, Jack, is that a toy car?
Yes.
I can't reach it.
Me either.
Jack, did you put it there?
I didn't put that there.
Maybe the tree grew it.
Trees don't grow toys, Anna.
Mom, come outside.
Jack, what's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Come see.
Where did that come from?
We don't know.
It's quite high up.
Did you put it there, Mom?
No, I didn't. Brown, come out here.
What's happening?
Even Captain doesn't know.
Maybe a neighbor.
Maybe the wind.
Wind doesn't hang toys on branches.
I'm just saying.
I think it's magic.
Maybe.
I want to check the tree again.
Sit down, Anna.
Okay, one more look.
There, another one.
It grew another one.
That was not there this morning.
The tree is magic.
There must be an explanation.
Of course, but what?
Look here.
Oh my goodness.
3 toys, 3 branches.
This is very unusual.
Hello, I was passing by.
Cindy, come in. Come in.
What's wrong? You all look surprised.
Come to the backyard. You have to see.
How long have they been there?
The car was first. The other came later.
It's magic, right, Cindy?
I don't know. But it is interesting.
Can you explain it?
No, I cannot. Trees feel things, you know.
They do?
They feel water, sun, wind. They grow toward what they love.
What does that mean?
Maybe this tree wants something, and it's asking in the only way it can. If you want to know more, give it something first.
Give it what?
Something real. Something from the heart. Good luck, Brown family.
Let's give it flowers.
That's lovely, Anna.
Seeds. Trees like seeds.
For you, tree.
Captain, no!
Captain thinks he's helping.
Jack, what are you thinking?
Nothing.
You can tell me.
I have an idea.
Tell us.
Not yet. I want to try it myself.
Okay. We trust you.
It's broken. I can't fly you. But maybe... Here it is. I brought it for you. It's broken, but I loved it. Good night, tree.
He's a good boy.
What are you talking about?
He gave something.
Something important?
The tree. It worked. Mom, Dad, Anna!
What happened?
Look!
Jack, that's a rocket.
I know.
Oh, Jack.
The tree gave it back, but fixed.
Not the same rocket. A new one.
For you.
Thank you.
Did you hear that?
I think the tree heard you, Jack.
I think so too.
I want to come here every morning.
Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
What would you give the magic tree?